urgent alert for all Bitcoin holders. If you see with me here, guys, what else we told you here in the Bitcoin, we told you we got here a double top here in the daily. That one, market here, look at it, it's breaking down here, and that telling us one thing. If we came and we do it like that, in the place where it's getting broke, Bitcoin is going to go till down here 60k. And also we told you that thousands of times here. If you remember what else we said here, we told you like that at a very stronger distribution level, and we came and we drawing in the top that level here and down here that one, and we said if the Bitcoin couldn't break above here that 74k, Bitcoin from there is going to fall down to 60k, and that's what it telling us till now. By the way, guys, before we continue it, we want that video to reach to 100 like, and know you can do it, so please pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, tell us your thought about Bitcoin. You done it? Thank you very much. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord and VIP Telegram, where we give a long-term swing trading and day trading signals. If you are interested, you're going to find down below in the description of that video and in the first comment the link of our Patreon. You click at it, you're going to land here. Bitcoin VIP, it's sold out, guys. There is no more discount here by $10. The only discount left now, it's the master by $13, and it's left only 5 places. 5 places from here till September. So act quickly before it's too late. If you join by that price, it's going to be forever for you by that price. If you miss it, it will be like that. $25 or $30. So act quickly before it's too late, my friend. Go now, click at the link. You're going to come here to Patreon, choose that master before it's too late. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as we said here, Bitcoin, after it touching that very stronger level here, or that supply and demand zone there, give us here that double top here, very clear double top here, and it's breaking for us the neckline of that double top. And if you came to get exactly the take profit of that one, you do it like that. So we got 2 levels here. The first level here is it at 60k. The second level is it down here at 56k. Those ones, the levels, you need to put pending orders to see if the Bitcoin going to reverse from here to go back above, or from here to go back above. This time it's showing to us it's falling down. Me, I buy from here. Today I haven't buy because is it in the same level here, so there is no need to buy again. But if any candle came and closing below that low here, I'm going to buy again. By the way, those buys of me is it for long term. So if you are someone who will like to hold in Bitcoin for long term, if it fall down again here, we're going to buy again. If it fall down more, we're going to buy more, because we don't care about those things. So I think picture is very clear. Now it's going to see Bitcoin ETF plus Bitcoin sentiment. What happened today? So let's go in there, guys. The first thing is it that one here, Bitcoin sentiment in the exchanges. Now here, it's very clear as you see it here. Those ones, they are bear more than 50%. Also, we've been saying that thousands of times here, that when the sentiment in the market, Bitcoin is going to fall down. And that's why me, I told you there is a falling down either to 60k or 56k like that. I think picture is very clear. Number here is more than 50%, 34%. For those ones, they are bearish. For those ones, they are very bearish, 18%. Is it 52%? Those ones, they are bullish, 15%, very bullish. Bullish, 15%. So the total here, 30%. 30% compared to 52%, they are bearish. That normal, the market is going to fall down. So I think picture is very clear. Now it's going to see Bitcoin ETF inflow and outflow. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are, guys. For Bitcoin inflow and outflow, as you see, yesterday, all of them they been selling, but not that much. 45 Bitcoin for our friend Grayscale. FBTC, they sold 1.38k. ARK, they sold 750 Bitcoin. BITB, they bought yesterday. The HODL, they sold 57 Bitcoin. Total Bitcoin being sold 2.19k, as you see it here. Today, same thing. All of them, they being selling. First one is our friend Grayscale, they sold 937 Bitcoin. ARK, they haven't sold. BITB, they sold 105 Bitcoin. The total till the moment now when we're registering that video is 1.04k Bitcoin being sold today from those ETFs. I think picture is very clear, guys. Now we're going to see the coming news of today. Coming news of today, guys, as you see it, today we got USA holiday, as you see it, so it's going to be the market very flat, there is no volume. Then we got UK CPI data going to come. The forecast here is showing UK inflation is going to fall down from 2.3 to 2%. That's very good for UK. Over here is our friend, the table of us we're looking at it every day, guys. As you see it here, our US market closing the day green. They're giving us a new high in US market. Down here is our friend, the VIX. Currency on the fair is still very low, 12.30. That means there is nothing to be worried about. Just relax. There is nothing to be worried about, guys. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin what they're doing today in 12 hours. For pictures get more clear to you because we got something there. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are, guys, in the Bitcoin in 12 hours. Here, if you remember what else we said here, we told you about the volume profile. We got here a huge level here at that place here of 69k. Now, we told you when we touch it, we are falling down to that level here, and we told you the top of it here, 64k, and the lower of it, 62,600. And that's what happened. If you see here, the Bitcoin give us here a pin bar in that level, because that level, if you came here and we try to draw here a square from that zone here like that, where are you going to find it? Is it that last high here and even that one here? That's why we saw here that pin bar here. Now let's see if the market from here going to reverse upward or is going to break even that one. It's going to fall down to that zone here of 60k, as me I told you in the daily, because that might target me 60k and below here 56k. Then also from there we're going to see if the market going to reverse upward or not. So I think picture is very clear. Now let's going to see the Ethereum what they're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the Ethereum, you remember what me I told you? I told you we got here a divergence. If the market breaking for you here, the double bottom here, you need to enter along. It doesn't break it, so there is nothing yet. You need to wait in a little bit. And same thing, we still have here a divergence. Only thing now, the market try to give you here like a triple bottom here. If that happened and the market came back and breaking above here, you can enter along again, guys. And second thing you can make here is the downtrend here, you see it, and you waiting if the Ethereum came back and breaking here. That's another story, but at this time there is nothing. The only thing now, that low here, it's still holding the Ethereum from falling down. If we break it here, you can enter more short, and that way us every time we're telling you to join our VIP Discord. Over there we're giving all those type of signals, not only in the Bitcoin, Ethereum, even the Sol, if you are interested, of course. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here. Our indicator, guys, you remember that the divergence us we're talking about, is it here? Well, now we got another divergence here. If you see it here, look at that low of that peak. Is it that one here? Compared to that one here, if you came even here in the chart, you got here a divergence. Should you enter along, guys? It's need the market to come to break for you here, that level here. Me, I'm talking here about those ones, the using leverage. For those ones long term, that level here in the daily, we got the 200 moving average and we couldn't break it, and the market gave us there a pin bar in the daily. So for long term Ethereum investors, you can buy now. Started buying slowly by slowly, going to go back above. So I think picture is very clear. Now it's going to see Bitcoin what they're doing today in 4 hours, guys. Here we are in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, there is nothing, and I tell it to you in yesterday video. Before yesterday I haven't made any video. I told you it goes here, the down channel like that. Once we touch it here, I told you maybe it's going to go back to touch the top of it. There is no power to push till the top here. Now it's very close to touch it. Let's see if it's going to go back from here to touch the top of the down channel. And from there, maybe you can enter a short. But the clear thing now, also we are in a downtrend, guys. Look at it. Yes, there is no power. No one is selling. Market falling down very slowly here. But we are in a downtrend. That's the only thing I can tell you. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying here in the Bitcoin. Our indicator, you remember over here, it touched the oversold areas in that level here. And if you come here and you do like that, we still have here the divergence, guys. As you see it, it's a very clear divergence. Should we enter along? I tell it to you, it's need at least either the market to come to break that one, or the second scenario to come to break that one from here and here, like that. Market to come to break here, because if you see with me here, look with me here, what I'm going to show you here, and that one here, you got a smaller wage, guys. If the market break it here, you can enter along. If it doesn't, me, I told you we are falling down to 60k, so we need to wait a little bit. Now let's go in to see the Bitcoin what it's doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are in the Bitcoin in 30 minutes, guys. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here, people that are with me in my VIP Discord, also we enter a long base on the break here. We enter a long and we put in the stop loss down here. People, yesterday we enter a short from here till down here. People that are with me didn't know that. Even in the sol we enter a short. Now we try to catch that long here. The market is breaking there. Put in a stop loss here, and now we wait. And if the market going to go back above, fair enough. If the market give us here a sign like that, like me how I told you, we draw in here that wage like that. If the market fall down and breaking lower here, we are going to enter a short again. So I think picture is very clear, guys, here. Now let's see our indicator we're saying here in the Bitcoin in 30 minutes. Our indicator, guys, we got a divergence here. That's why us we enter that long, as me I told you here. If you see it, that a very clear divergence here. Second indicator, what we got us. Second indicator, us we just touched down here oversold area. So technically us we enter along and we waiting. You, if you miss the intro, I told you what to do. You came like that and you waited. If the market going to break again here, you can enter along, because that one here is a very clear wage, guys. I think picture is very clear. So that's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it. Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.